Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You're sipping your favorite drink on a beach, the sound of waves in the background, and your phone pings with a notification. It's not a work email or a bill. It's a deposit money that just hit your account while you were living your life. Sounds like a fantasy? It doesn't have to be. Welcome to the reality of passive income. This isn't about selling you some quick rich scheme. It's about sharing strategies that real people just like you use to build wealth, freedom, and peace of mind. I'll show you step by step how to escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle, achieve your financial goals, and finally live life on your terms. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Why passive income is a game changer. Let me ask you a question. How much time do you spend working each week? For most people, it's at least 40 hours. Now, imagine if you could cut that in half or even eliminate it altogether. Passive income isn't just about making money, it's about buying back your time. It's about having the freedom to spend more time with family, pursue your passions, or travel the world. Quick myth busting. Let's get one thing straight. Passive income doesn't mean no effort. You'll need to put in some upfront work or investment, but once it's set up, it keeps paying you over and over. The best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to start. I'll show you strategies for every budget and skill level. Section 1, Understanding Passive Income. Before we dive into the strategies, let's clarify what passive income really is. Passive income is earning money with minimal ongoing effort after the initial setup. It's not magic and it's not instant. It requires planning, effort, and sometimes investment. But the rewards? 1. Time freedom. No more trading hours for dollars. 2. Financial security. An additional layer of income to protect against life's uncertainties. 3. Building wealth. A sustainable path to financial independence. Think of passive income as planting a tree. You nurture it at first, but over time it grows and bears fruit season after season. Section 2, Dividend Stocks, Profits on Autopilot. One of the simplest ways to earn passive income is through dividend-paying stocks. Here's how it works. 1. Companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. 2. By owning these stocks, you can enjoy steady payouts while your investment grows. How to get started. 1. Choose stable companies. Focus on those with a proven track record of paying and increasing dividends, such as Procter & Gamble or Microsoft. 2. Reinvest dividends. Use a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, to buy more shares and let compounding work its magic. 3. Diversify. Spread your investments across industries to minimize risk. Imagine earning $500 a month just from holding these stocks. It's a smart way to let your money do the heavy lifting. Section 3. Real estate without the headaches. You might think real estate requires huge capital or endless tenant troubles, but let me introduce you to smarter, hassle-free ways to earn from real estate. 1. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in large-scale projects for as little as $500. You'll earn dividends from rental income and property appreciation. 2. Vacation rentals. Have a spare room or second property. Platforms like Airbnb turn them into high-income assets. 3. REITs, real estate investment trusts. These let you invest in real estate like stocks. They're liquid, simple, and pay regular dividends. Real estate isn't just about buying and flipping properties anymore. It's about adapting to modern tools and maximizing opportunities. Section 4. Online courses and digital products. Do you have expertise in something? Why not turn it into a digital product or an online course? Why it works. In low overhead costs. Create once, sell forever. 2. Scalability. Sell to thousands of people without additional effort. Steps to start. 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about, whether it's graphic design, fitness, or cooking. 2. Use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to host your course. 3. Promote it via social media and email marketing. Imagine earning $100 per sale from a course that only took a few weeks to create. That's a real game changer. Section 5. Affiliate marketing, earning by recommending. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products. How it works. 1. You sign up for affiliate programs from brands like Amazon, Shopify, or Bluehost. 2. You get a unique link to share. 3. When someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage. Why it's powerful. Affiliate marketing requires no upfront investment, and with the right audience, you can earn significant passive income. Here's a pro tip. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok page around a specific niche to maximize your reach and income. Section 6. The power of automation. Here's the secret sauce. Automation. Use tools and technology to minimize your time and effort. Examples include scheduling tools. Automate content posting for your blog or social media. 2. Email marketing. Set up automated funnels that nurture leads and close sales. 3. Investment apps. Platforms like Acorns or Robinhood automate your investments. Automation allows your passive income streams to operate 24/7, even while you're asleep. Conclusion. There you have it. Proven strategies to start building passive income today. Whether it's through dividend stocks, real estate, digital products, or affiliate marketing, the key is to take the first step. Remember, passive income isn't about overnight success. It's about creating long-term, sustainable wealth. So, which strategy will you start with? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building your financial freedom. Let's make it happen together!